Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on your HP Chromebook 14A. First, shut your laptop down. Once it is shut down, wait for a moment and then go to your keyboard. On your keyboard, you'll see the escape and the refresh key. Hold on them both at once, and while holding on them, shortly press on the power button, and after releasing the power button, keep on pressing the escape and a refresh. You'll go into recovery mode. Now, use the arrows to go to Launch Diagnostics and click on Enter. Now, we'll see about that. And you can diagnose a few things like the storage, health info, storage self-test, memory check, quick or full. I'm gonna do a storage self-test short. Then it has started, I believe. Or no, I think it has returned good status. I'm gonna do a memory check as well. Now it's running, and we'll see what the result is. All memory tests passed. Now let's also see storage health info, and feel free to do a full test as well. And I'm gonna power the computer off, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.